Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get this scene queen hair with cheetah bangs in DTI. So it's time to channel your inner Myspace baddie because the cheetah bangs hair hack in DTI is giving full-on scene queen energy. So let me show you how you can create this hair. So to create this hair, there are 5 hairstyles that you are going to use and also 2 items. So the first hair, you can use this hair in here and then use the adjustment feature. So this is the adjustment that I'm using for the position. Here I'm just leave it as it is and also rotate. So I'm only adjusting the scale into 54. And the second hairstyle that you are going to add is this hair in here. And again, use the adjustment feature, and I use the black and pink color for all of the hair. So this is the adjustment for this second hair. So for the position in here, I'm only change the Y and Z, Y to 0.28 and the Z 0.87. And here's the rotate. I'm lowering X into 0 and the scale into 0.84. And next, this is the hair that I'm using, and this is the adjustment. So for the scale, I increase it into 0.58 and the rotate only increase the Z into 61 and the position here X 45 and also the Z 60. And next here I'm using this hair and this is the adjustment. So for the positions X49 and the Z51, the rotate I'm not changing anything, and here the scale lower it into 46. And the last hair that I'm using is this hair, this one. This is the adjustment. So for the position X49, Y45 and the Z49, and this is the rotate 71, 55 and 56, and the last one scale for 54. So after you are done with the hair, to make the cheetah bangs, I actually use the mask, this mask in here. So you need to put on the mask and use the cheetah print on the mask, this one in here, and this is the adjustment. So for the position X 56, Y 70, and the rotate in here X 73, Y 42 and Z 20. Last one, the scale 55. And I also use this headband, this one, and here is the adjustment. So X51, 32 and 49 for positions, and rotate in here X is 97, Y 43 and Z 22, and the scale I'm not changing anything. So now that's the final look of the cheetah bangs for the scene hair. So whether you are going full emo princess or just want to stand out with a bold hair flare, this hack is your ticket to becoming the main character in every round. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more fierce DTI hacks. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye!